Okay, hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to speed up your computer. For this, you don't need to download anything from the internet. Everything is already installed. So go to your Start menu, type in the search box here, msconfig if you're a Windows 7 or Windows Vista user. If you're a Windows XP user, there should be a button here called Run. It should come up with a box like that. And for that, all you need to do is msconfig, hit enter. Now, there's General, Boot, Services, Startup, and Tools. Your startup selection will be on Normal Startup because that's the default startup. Don't mess around with your boot. I'll get to Services in a minute. Do not mess around with Tools. So go to Startup. And these are all the programs which will start up automatically when your computer first boots up. So, as you can see, I've got a heap of software here, which is all unchecked, so that means it will not start up once my computer starts. But I've got some of them checked, so that means they do start up when my computer starts. So I've got my NVIDIA graphics card, I've got my Key Notify, I've got my Toshiba button support, Toshiba hard drive protection, Toshiba hard drive SSD alert, and an internet download manager. But anyway, so you'll have all of those checked. So all you need to do is go to the tick box, go untick it, then click Apply, and click OK. Then it should come up with this box here, System Configuration. You may need to restart your computer. So apply these changes before restarting, save any open files, and close all programs. So I would normally recommend doing restart, but for the purposes of this tutorial, I will be doing exit without restart. This is a completely reversible process. Anything you do in here can be changed when you boot up. So just have a little fiddle around. Because if you screw up your computer somehow, just go back to the system, just type in msconfig again, come up here to startup and recheck the box that you ticked before. So it takes a while, but it is worth it. Now we're going to get into services. Okay, services, hide all Microsoft services. Now it should come up with these. If you have iTunes, you'll have Apple Mobile Device, Bonjour service, iPod service, what else? That's about it for people who have iTunes. You must leave those three alone. So you've got to leave the Apple Mobile Devices alone, the Bonjour service alone, and the iPod service alone, because without that, iTunes will not will not talk to your iPod if you like. So anyway, I've gotten rid of Performance Toolkit, repair services, because I don't actually use them that much. I've got rid of the PC Tools startup and shutdown monitor service because it's just using excess. Power Saver, I've gotten rid of. Toshiba Bluetooth service, I don't have anything which is Bluetooth, so there's no point in me keeping it on there. Toshiba Eco Utility, I turn back on when I go into battery mode. Anyway, that's the same in startup. Click Apply, OK, exit without restart, or restart your computer. So it's your choice. But you'll definitely notice a speed up in your system. When I had all my services checked, it was came onto the screensaver, took about 10 or 20 seconds, and uploaded all of the files which you see here. Sorry, they're not files, they're icons. But since I've disabled basically every single one, it's just log on and all these appear instantly, so there's no buffering time or refreshing time, which is excellent. So yeah, that's one of the many ways you can speed up your system. Thank you for watching.